Yes. Oh, this is the fish we came for. Hola everyone, welcome back to another fishing adventure in and around Barcelona. We are on the board. Thanks for coming. This is not the size that we are after today. It's just a snag. Oh, it wasn't a snag. That was another follow. Oh. It was a small one, but it was a good bite. All right, I'm gonna hit the other side. So basically what I'm doing right now, I'm going against the current in the middle of the river because the middle of the river is super shallow and I'm hitting both banks of the river. One of the bank, the current is not so heavy. The other one, this one here, it's definitely heavy. So I'm just gonna keep swapping those. Yes. No, I don't believe this. I lost another fish. Yes. Okay. It was under the tree. Oh, please stay on, God, stay on. Ooh, don't jump. Ooh, very, very thin hook set. And he's gone. Okay, getting there. Yes, here's the next one. Come on, Gordy. This was super small compared to the previous one. And this one's gone as well. I have amazing hooks, brand new. And actually in the morning I caught myself like super accidentally. It's not a problem, but again I had a bite and it wasn't the sort of bite that trout produces. Soft, just, there we go. That was a proper bite. So, what I was saying is trout really wants to kill the lures all the time. Not today. Or not today so far, and I lost this one as well. I think I already hooked all the fish in this area. Yes. Maybe not all the fish I hooked. Don't jump, buddy. It's super shallow water. It's so easy to lose them. I blame everything but me. Oy. Come on, Gordy. Come on, Gordy. Yes, yes. Okay, hook is already out. Perfect. All right, sort of like 25-ish, and I'm gonna let him go because he really wants to go, of course. Yes. Ah. Yes. Very good. Hook set, it seems. Come on, Gordy. And he's gone. That's okay. That was even smaller than the previous one. It's 8:30. I'm here for more than an hour. I'm fishing kind of like for an hour. I've seen some really nice fish, big ones as well. And I hooked some nice trout too, but couldn't hold on to those. Nibbles, that's what we got. The juiciest spot on earth. Yeah, another. Oh, that was a nice hit. Oh, wow. And that is a nice fish. Oh, yes. He hit it first, on the drop, but it wasn't like a really good hit, but he went after it. What are you, dude? I still can't say it. Oh yeah, it's a chub. It's a chub. It's a really nice chub. It's sort of like 40 centimeters or something like that. Yeah. Oh, cool, 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 cool. Come here, Gordy. Haha. Nice one. That was really nice of you to come. Yeah. That was fantastic. Really good hit. It was in the slack water on the other side. Yeah, swam away. And he goes back. I don't know. Maybe that was the Gordy of the swim. Let's see. Little dude. Ah, that was another bite immediately. Maybe I can get one or two more. Yeah. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad. Awesome. Oh, it's gone. Must be more over there. Oh, and that is actually, maybe that's an even better one. Oh, he's going for the branches over there. No, you can't. Ooh. Ooh, that was a nice hit. Oh, wow. Really intent. Oh, wow. What a power. Yes. Ooh, yes. That's definitely better. That is not by length. No, it's the same sort of length, but it's so much bulkier. I mean, fantastic. Yeah, he really went after this. Oh, fantastic. Super duper nice. Oh, Gordy. Yeah. The day is getting absolutely there. I'm not gonna let him go until I do feel that he's gonna be able to swim away. A little bit of oxygen. Yeah, he's gone. Yes! Right under the bush. He's not that big, or at least it's not as big as the previous ones. These fish doesn't really like to wake up too early. Yeah, it's sort of like 30, maybe under 30, just under 30. Let's move to the next spot. I mean, there are more chubs there. Let them be. Cool, I think we're doing all right now. So please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done it already. That's what I also love in this sort of summer Catalonia. Chub, trout, whatnot fishing. I don't have to wear waders. It's just a shoe that is good for water and some sort of like an old trousers. That's all you need. Yes. No, no, no. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Don't jump, don't jump. Oh, yeah. Better trout. Yes! Finally. I put on a... Jeez! No, 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 no. There. Gordy. This is not what we discussed. Put on a natural color. Thought maybe Maybe now that it's closer to noon, they're gonna go for it. And yeah, he absolutely did go for it. Oh, it's out. It's the same type, same manufacturer. Fantastic. It works so well in a current. If you could just stop biting on the rubber net, that would be great. Off you go. Whoa! I've been around casting for like an hour or so now. A couple of follows, small bites, nibbles, something like that. That was it. Yes! Stay on, buddy, stay on. There we go. So the fish here, so dark. It's beautiful. Yeah. Super small. Oh, that was a rainbow trout. Interesting. And for the sake of catching a chub, I'm gonna switch to crankbait, I think. Yes! What a bite! Ooh, stay on, buddy. This is a nice one. Oh, this is a fantastic trout. This is the kind of size that we want to catch today. Oh, nice jump. Buddy, yeah, we got it. Wow! Short and sweet fight. I was really worried that I'm gonna lose him. Now that is way over 40 centimeters, somewhere like 40 something, I don't know. Jesus. Okay, lure is out, single barbless to be exact. This also makes my life easier. Fantastic. Okay, let's have a better look at this guy. Well guys, it escaped. So unfortunately there is no proper look of this trout, guys. It was somewhere around like 40-45 centimeter long. Very beautiful, strong brown trout. And while I was filming him relaxing in the net, my camera battery died, and right in the next 5 seconds he escaped from the net. So the bottom line is that he's fine, but unfortunately there is no proper look. But this is the fish we came for. It's fantastic. If you're not a great swimmer, just don't do this. Just leave it. It's not worth it. Yes. Ooh. This is something better again. Oh, it's a nice chub. Yeah, this is somewhat 35-40 centimeters. Very bulky as well. Hola, Gordy! We managed to get a big trout and a big chub as well. Also, he was under that bush over there. Fantastic. How do you feel, Gordy? Perfect. What on earth? How do we not have this? Yes. Oh. Such a force. Now that is a good gordy as well. Somewhat like 30 centimeters. What a force. I'm heading back now. I'm tired. I think I'm gonna get out from the river the closest possible point. But as usual, in the meantime, I still try to cast a few. Yes! Oh yes! Followed it at least like, I don't know, 3 times, 4 times. I waited like a minute or two, a little bit. Get off my leg. And there we go. It's still not the gordy of the day. Of course it is not, but I don't care. That's a nice fish. How do you feel, gordy? Gordy! Oh. Alright, I think that's gonna be it from me today. My plan was to catch a big trout, and eventually we managed to catch a big trout. I walked a lot in the river, so I'm super tired right now. But it was a fantastic day, action-packed, and I sincerely hope that you enjoyed it as well. Please give me a like and consider subscribing if you haven't done it already. If you would like to see more episodes like this, I'm gonna put it out somewhere around there. And many thanks for stopping by. Hopefully see you soon in the next adventure. Take care. Adios. Bye bye.